thank you. Mamaya kausapin ko na lang siya. Sa abroad to.
If I should stay, I would only be away. So
Kaya Teresita Candelaria, ma'am. Dito po. Ay, may delivery kayo kay madam.
I think of you every step of the way.
Walang ano to, kandila.
In time,
Apo.
we'll always love you. I will
Muna na lang.
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, gusto ko
love
yun.
Ayan, ma'am, meron pa ang flowers Philippines delivery. We have cake.
May flower pa.
Yan, ma'am.
Ito na.
We have flower.
telling you.
Apo. Cake.
Bittersweet
Ay, hawakan ko lahat.
And balloon.
memories. That is all
Saan
I'm
si madam?
taking with me. So
Eh, ma'am, pag...
goodbye.
Kasama na sila ng mga.
Don't cry. We both know I'm not what you need. And
I hope I made you smile today, Ate Tess. This is my way to show how much I love you, Ate Tess. I'm grateful for your true friendship and hope your life is amazing. I wish you love, hope, and everlasting happiness. Thank you for being my ate. I am so proud to have you, a friendship with you from Poland.
Sa abroad. Eko, thank you.
Ay, ma'am, ano masabi niyo kay Ma'am Polly po?
Thank you, thank you. Mamaya kausapin ko na lang siya. Sa abroad to.
Ay, ma'am, pa Philippines delivery. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you.
I hope life treats you kind, and I hope you have all dream